Hi everyone, today I will tell you about the thing I value the most. EXO's album is my most valued thing because it's EXO's most popular in this album. It also has many pictures of EXO. It has 102 pages. I bought the album 2 years ago. I value it because I wanted this album so much, but it was too expensive, so I did a lot of housework and saved money. Finally, I got EXO's album, and I was so proud of myself. This album gave me self-confidence because it proves that I'm a big fan of EXO, and it's true. I wanted this album with my friends and you.
Today I will tell you about the things I value the most, which is my cell phone Optimus GX. I bought this phone last year. I used to have an Optimus T2 until 2 years ago. However, a year later, our school had a demo. Change any smartphone from a 2G phone for a better education environment. From that demo, my mom decided to take the advice by upgrading my phone. A year after this incident, I was disappointed the disadvantage were too big, so I begged my mom to upgrade my phone. That's how I got my current phone. The reason that I value my cell phone is that it connects me to my family and my friends. Also, when I get bored, I can kill time using it. I can't imagine living without my cell phone. It has become an important part of my life. Try imagine yourself living without your cell phone. When you get bored, you actually need to put effort to find out how you manage those moments. Thank you for listening my speech.